Good morning to all. Welcome to the e-class of DePaul School, Baripada. Good morning, children. I know you are fine and signing at home because you are getting enough time to relax. But today I am going to teach you a new lesson for class 4 students in value education. So today's lesson is uh, very nice. Moral is there with this story. It is a beautiful story, and I am going to teach you this lesson today. This is in our half yearly exam course. Lesson number 6 in value education for class 4 student. The lesson is service. The lesson is service. Service means the help or the work which you do for your society, for your family, for your friends. How it gives them a sort of help through your service. That is called the meaning of this story, service. And today the story is related to the service. The story begins. In ancient time, a king decided to test his subject and place a boulder on a roadway. Then he hid behind a bush and watched to see if anyone would remove the huge rock. Some of the king's wealthiest merchants and courtiers came by. Means the king thought of testing his subject, means his people in his kingdom, whether they think about the people around them or in their society, or only they think about themselves, or they have the or take the responsibility of serving others, or just they blame other and they move aside. He want to test all these things, so he himself took a huge rock and put on the way, and he hid or behind the bushes to see what the people who are passing through that have their expression or feelings regarding that huge rock. And first he saw you can see he is keeping a huge rock on the way, and he noticing every activities which people are showing by seeing the huge block of rock. Some of the wealthiest merchants who were passing that way saw the rock, and they gave their actually point of view that it is the responsibility of the king to see the welfare of the people, and but the king is not responsible in doing so. They blame other, and they move on without keeping or taking up that huge rock from the road and keeping aside. Look at that rock laying in the middle of the road. The king should look after our needs better. That boulder is blocking this route. The king should be aware that this is an important trade route. They told, or they blamed the king for not taking care of their people's welfare. Means it is a very busy road, every person go that way, every vehicles go that way, but a huge block of huge boulder of rock is on the road, and it is blocking the route, and nobody is there to take care of it. So they just blame the king and his minister for not picking up such a huge block of rock which is on the road, and they keep on moving by saying this thing about the king. but they hardly touched the rock or thought of taking up the rock from the road and keeping aside. Saying this, one after another, many people walked around it. None did anything about getting the big stone off the way. Means everybody gave their point of view, but nobody thought of taking away the rock and keeping it aside, which can be a great help for the people. Instead of blaming others, instead of blaming the king and his government, they could have also done this thing. It was not that much big deal, but nobody thought of doing so. You can see each and everybody who passed on the way stumbled on the rock, they fall, but they never took it up and threw it away from the road. Then a peasant came along carrying a load of vegetables. On approaching the boulder, the peasant laid down his burden and moved the stone to the side of the road. He shoved and pushed with all his might. After such straining succeeded. Means a vegetable seller, or you can say peasant, a farmer who was coming on that way, he noticed that a huge rock. He keep his basket of vegetables on the road, and he with all his might tried to move the rock, but after a long try he was able to move the rock out of the way. You can see here he is taking up the rock and keeping it aside. He was a simple peasant, a farmer, but having that much responsibility in him that it is bringing problem to all the people who are passing that way, and he took the responsibility of keeping or throwing the stone out of the way, which the wealthiest and the most wise person of that kingdom never thought of doing so. As the peasant picked up his load of vegetables, he noticed a purse lying in the road where the boulder had been. The purse contained many gold coins and a note from the king, indicating that the gold was for the person who removed the boulder from the roadway. The peasant had been rewarded for his service to the people of his country by the king. While after picking up the stone from the road, he found a bag full of gold coins, and was a small note was also there. It was written that whoever will pick up this stone and keep it aside from the road, he will be the person to get this bag full of gold, and it is a reward from his king to that person who think of doing so. And so unknowingly the peasant got reward for his work, which actually was service for the people of that kingdom, and he got that bag full of, you can see here, he got the bag full of gold. He was very happy that ultimately for his work, actually it was a small work, but he was rewarded by the king with a bag full of gold. You can see king was very happy that the peasant or a farmer thought of doing a service which is going to help the society. But there is a lesson that we should always try to think about others rather than to think about ourselves. We try to do the thing which will directly or indirectly help the society, so that we not only will benefit from our work, the society also will get some benefit. The moral of the story: work is worship, should be the motto of everyone. Always give importance to your duty without thinking about the return. Means the moral should be work is worship. every person should think that work is worship for them. So it is your duty that whatever you do, it directly or indirectly goes for the good of the society, or it will be directly or indirectly help the people in the society. And never think that I will not do a thing which I will not get return from it. It is the God is there to give you the return or the reward for your work. Your work is to think about your duty and how to do it honestly. This is all about the story, children. Thank you for watching this video. And remember, it is very important to be at home. Say, it is a hard time for us all. To overcome this hard time, we should be give respect to what our teachers say. We should listen to our parents in the home and think that we have to do our studies through this way only, through this electronics medium. And it will be a great help if you watch this video regularly, so that you can get the story as well as the moral of it. And the exercise part of the lesson I will surely give you later on. Thank you for watching this video, children. Goodbye. God bless you. Then chalo.